50% fall in Tata Motors. Can you imagine? So I knew this would be coming because I have always been telling that Nifty will go down, 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 but we never paid attention to the stocks. So this was on my list, in my watch list. And if you see this, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, if you see, there is a continuous fall from 2nd September 24, from the high of 1107.75. So um, let's go into daily chart. So today there was a gap down opening from Tata Motors, and it could not hold on the levels which were there. He did not cover the gap, and this was because there's a big bear range, as I have been saying always, 755 to 668. That's a big bear range where anything will come and it will go down. So today Nifty also, if you see, it did not cross the range which I had given earlier. Though it opened a gap down, but it could not uh, pass through the highs of the yesterday's highs. So in Tata Motors, if you see, there is a volume decline. See this. While the price was moving up, but the volume was getting declined. So there was no interest in buying. So the interest of the buyers was losing. Though the price was going up, so it had to fall. And now this Tata Motors is at a level of 668.55. So I feel there is a here there is a gap, there is a range where there is support between 655 to 634 range. So after that support, if that is broken, then there is a next support of 626.15 to 605.10. This range of 11 points, and the previous range of around 21 points. So there are and Tata Motors, mind you, it had a 52-week low of 606.30, which is here 606.30. So it has moved from 52-week low with the low volumes, and the price was rigging up, but now there is bears which are activated, and finally they pushed the Tata Motors around 5.6% down today. Let's hope what tomorrow will happen. I think we will see more selling in Tata Motors. There will be a long unwinding. So please beware before getting into the stock. This is my views. So coming to Nifty, Nifty again, as I mentioned yesterday, there is a gap down opening, but it recovered the gap because of this blue range, which was a gap up opening. So it could not fill the gap down, a gap which was at 23,350 to 23,515 range. So let's see what happens tomorrow on the Nifty part. I'm still bearish on Nifty. So let's see what happens. Do write in comments and mention what are the levels you are looking for Nifty. The Bank Nifty on the other side was a bit surprising. So though it did not break the yesterday's highs, but still, if you see it is below the higher Bollinger Band. So I think it will move down again to 50,140 levels. So these are my views. Do let me know what are your views, and thank you for watching my channel. If you are new, then please subscribe to the channel and like the videos and comment please, so that will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much.